Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to log out from a Gmail account on Android phone. Alright guys, first of all, let's just open up our Gmail application on our Android phone. And after we have our Gmail application opened, we can click on our profile on the top right. Then we can scroll down until we find the manage account on this device option, and here you can select the account you want to log out. And for instance, I'm gonna go with this account, and we just need to click on remove account, and we will get this question, and you just need to click on remove account, and then your account will be logged out from your Android phone. Alright guys, and that's how we can look out from a Gmail account on Android phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.